Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the computer concerning question papers which are asked previously. So let us see what exactly we have in the computer paper 3. An example of a telecommunications device, that is modem. You can see that the modems are used in the telephone circuits where you will get the maximum internet connection, and as well without any distortion you will have the communication between one end to other end. What exactly the abbreviation of modem is? Modulator as well as demodulator. Every component of your computer is either hardware or a software. So we knew that whatever the computers, it is the mixture of the hardware as well as software. A file name is a unique name that give you information, that is what exactly whatever the type of document or whatever, if you want to search, that is the one you have to give, that is file name. Junk email is known as what? I already discussed, spam, and in the case of bug it is an error. A syntax contains specific rules and words that express logical steps of an algorithm. That is what exactly? Syntax. So this contains specific rules and words that express logical steps of an algorithm. Next we have the debugging. It is a process of finding errors in software code which is known as debugging. That is one type of the process of finding errors in software code. Next we have a notebook computer is a small handheld computer that helps you surf the web and perform simple tasks. This is what you have to remember here. It's a notebook computer is a small handheld computer which helps you surf the web and perform simple tasks. The most application software today come with an interface called as graphic user interface. This is what you have to remember. The most application softwares today come with the interface that is known as graphical user interface, that is GUI. A website addressed is a unique name that specific on the web, that is known as, it's a link. It's a website address is a unique name that specific link on the web. We knew that www. These are all websites. Which of the following is considered an input device? As you can see, the keyboard is one type of input device, and the floppy as well as pen drive and the CD, these are all one type of memory devices, and flash drive is one type of example of the pen drive. Monitor is a output device. The printer is a multi device which has got both input as well as output in that printer. Next we have software suites or bundles of related software packages that are sold together. These are all one thing you have to remember. What exactly the software suites are? They are the bundles of related software packages that are sold together. They are all software suites. Hackers, they are the one who break into other computers and steal the data and hang their systems. The documentation manual tells you how to use a program. So this is what exactly the functioning of this documentation manual, that tells you how to use a program, that is manual. So whatever every purchase of every product will have the documentation manual. Microcomputer hardware, that is consist of three categories: physical equipment, that is keyboard, monitor and hard drive. These are the three which is the components together is known as in every computer you have this one, but microcomputer hardware consists of what? system unit, primary storage. As you can see how exactly it has been given, you can directly go through these three: system unit, primary storage and secondary storage. Everything are there in the computers, mini computers. This is data are distinct items that don't have much meaning to you in a given context. What exactly the data abbreviation, the data meaning is, it's a distinct item that don't have much meaning to you in a given context. That is data. Processors contain a control unit and arithmetic logic unit. We knew that whatever the central processing unit, it has got the arithmetic logic unit as well as processors control unit. You organize files by sorting them in folders. This is what exactly how you sort in a folders. You may be required to insert the program disk into the drive while you use or install the software. So please remember, normally before functioning anything, you have to install them. You may be required to insert the program disk into the drive while you use it or install the software. Which of the following is an example of connectivity? That is, floppy disk is not the one, that is a memory one. Internet is one type of network of net. That is one type of connectivity, network of networks. How many bits are there in a byte? That is total 8 number of bits we have. In the nibble we have 4. The another name of chip is what? Integrated circuit is the another name of chip. Decreasing the amount of space required to store data and programs is accompanied by, that is by the compressing, that is known as file compression. Data on floppy disk is recorded in rings called, those rings are known as tracks. The tracks are the one which are there on the floppy disk. Documents on the web are called web pages. This is what exactly the documents on the web are called web pages. Which type of memory holds only that program and data the CPU is presently processing is, that is RAM, random access memory. So this is one type of memory holds only that program and data the CPU is presently processing. That is random access memory. It is a temporary one. The software is an information system that must be reliable and capable of handling the expected workload. That is what exactly the software, that is an information system that must be reliable and capable of handling the expected workload. What we upload, they are all software and that will be reliable to us. The following is a part of system unit, that is memory is one type of system unit. It's a part of the system unit is memory. Specialized programs that allow particular input or output devices to communicate with the rest of the computer system, those are called operating system. We knew that whatever Linux, Windows, these are all one type of operating systems only. The primary purpose of the software is to turn data into information. Please remember what exactly the main purpose of this software, the turn data into the information. That is, we knew that it has been done by the various sources and this is called the main purpose of this software. Storage that retains its data after the power is turned off is referred as non-volatile storage. It means it's a permanent type of storage. Even the ROM, read only memory, is a non-volatile nature, but RAM is a volatile nature. An essential ingredient for the effective presentations incorporates user participation or interactivity. So this is what exactly important ingredient for the effective presentation, that is user participation is mandatory or interactivity is mandatory. These two are essential. A device that copies or reproduces text and images is also called optical scanner, which directly scan or copies. The CD-RW, that is rewritable disk, that can be erased or rewritten, that is the CD-RW. Next we have The following is a secondary storage device, that is optical disc is one type of secondary storage device. A website containing stories and articles related to current events, life, money, sports and the wealth considered, that is informational website. So in this, a website containing stories and articles relating current events, life, money and sport, these are all informative website. You can have a live conversation with connected user via instant messaging. This is what exactly happens, the live conversation between one end to another end, that is by instant messaging. The rectangular area of the screen that displays a program that and information is a window. So which has one type of a window where you can see that even the computer has got the window where you will directly see whatever the program is running over there. Video conferencing requires a microphone, speakers and video camera is mandatory, which are attached to the computer. So video camera is also mandatory. The process of computer receiving information from a server on the internet is known as what? Downloading. Whatever you receive from the internet, that is downloading. Whatever you send the information, that is uploading. Any hardware component that allows you to enter data or instructions into a computer is known as what? Input devices. So these are one thing, the keyboard, the mouse and the scanner, these are all one type of input devices, which are the hardware component that allows you to enter data or instructions into a computer. The communication device that allows the computer access a network is called a modem. This means modulator and demodulator. This is one thing, it's a device that allows the computer access a network. With dial-up access, the computer's modem uses a straight telephone line to connect to the internet, that is dial-up access. What exactly dial-up access is? It's a dial-up access, the computer's modem uses a telephone line to connect to the internet. This is what exactly the function of the dial-up access. You must instruct the operating system to start the application software. This is very important. You have to instruct the operating system for the starting of application software. Next we have correct information is generated by incorrect data in the information system. Please remember, whatever the incorrect information is generated by the incorrect data in the information system. A portable personal computer, small enough laptop is called what? Notebook. Whatever the notebook computers we have, this is one type of portable which can carry from one place to other place. Even the laptop is one type of portable computer. It's a notebook computer is one type of portable one. The microprocessor that integrates the functions of memory and video card on a single chip is what? The new microprocessor that integrates the functions of the memory as well as video card on a single chip. A collection of computers and devices connected together via communications devices and transmission media is known as what? Network. So you start giving the communication between one computer to another computer is a one type of network. Next we have dash services are available free at portals on the web, that is email services. They are available free at portals on the web. Electronic mail. Professional designers can create sophisticated documents that contain text, graphics and many colors using software. So this is how exactly computer aided design, which is done by the AutoCAD. These courses are done by the civil engineers for the construction purpose. So in that you will have the text, graphics and many colors you can fit in that. Oracle is an example of what? It's a database. Oracle, it's a database management system. We knew that. That is one type of database, that is Oracle. It's application software, that is database application software. So these are the few questions, guys. I hope all these questions will help you a lot in cracking your exams. I hope this will help you in understanding the computers and the questions concerning to the exam. Thank you, guys. You can have a good look in my YouTube. You will find many more. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.